Hey guys, welcome back to Emmy and Sprinkle. Today I will be showing you how to draw a unicorn pusheen, and it's so cute. So, first thing we're going to want to do is get a lighter shade of gray. Well, that's going to be on our palette. We're going to draw the ears first. Now we're going to color her in with the shade of gray. Yay! Okay. Now, like on every other pusheen, we're going to get right here. Perfect. Now, this pusheen is not a normal pusheen, it's a unicorn pusheen. If you guys are unicorn fans, this is perfect. So we need to draw her blue mane. Now, big secret right here. I am not good at drawing unicorns, but I'm good at drawing cats. Win-win! In my opinion, I like cats better. Sorry if you guys are close. Write in the comments what your favorite animal is. Now, we're going to make this mane thicker. There we go. It kind of looks like a rainbow dash with a mohawk. Never see that in My Little Pony. Okay, next thing we're going to do is we're going to add the tail. It's so cute. So, we'll go like this. Now the tail is really weird, but then we'll go this. Then we will add some pink. Also, my brother is trying to snoop on our video. So, hey Jack.
Hi.
He's trying to snoop at you guys. He's a snooper.
Watch
Watch your windows.
Oh my god.
Watch your windows.
I don't even know where you live for a fact.
He knows where everyone lives.
Okay, that is not true. If you live by our house, sure, I know where you live.
I told you. He knows where you live.
No, I don't.
Well, since that color is a little dark, we're just gonna color this in. Perfecto! Now, let's add the eyes. If you guys can hear that, my cat Sprinkle is busy doing something. Jack, you don't have to whisper.
I don't.
He doesn't want to be involved in our video.
Oh my god. I want to be involved with every art video, but she is now.
Pusheen, it's easier to draw like this.
God. Excuse. Maker.
Okay, try to draw Pusheen.
Okay. See you in 7 hours.
Okay. Now guys, we're gonna draw the unicorn. So cute. And then, last but not least, I'm gonna say because I have hiccups. La whiskers. Fun fact, do you know Lee means the? Okay, you guys can add little things in the ears if you want. But if you do, then just add a little miniature things in there. But last step. Now you guys can add back paws too if you want bean toes. But I'm not gonna do beans this time. In another video, I'll teach you how to make bean toes. It's actually really simple. Jack, why don't you say hi to them?
Hi.
He doesn't want to be involved in our videos. Well, Bye, guys. See you next time. Bye.